traditional Japanese elements as inspiration and merging these with the warm, welcoming context of Cebuano culture. The Wave Towers is not just a residential condominium. It is more than that. It is your home. It is your safe space. It is your sanctuary. Rooted in Japan, rising from Cebu. Located at the heart of the IT Park, this project offers direct access to Cebu's top tech and business hubs, offering high investor confidence and appreciation in value. It is not just central, it is the definition of prime. Here are some key components that you can take from this project. The Wave Towers is the flagship collaboration from a venture that promotes buyer confidence from two very strong, very reliable names in the real estate sector. It is positioned as a prestige project with global value. This project is unique in design, catering to buyers who are drawn to homes with character and story. The Japanese-Filipino design narrative adds depth and premium branding, ideal for high-income professionals, investors, and overseas Filipinos seeking a legacy property in a location that remains in consistent and very strong demand. Backed by Cebu Landmaster's track record of consistency, reliability, and trustworthiness, this is reflected in our very strong sales velocity. And lastly, with a project scheduled for completion in 60 months or 5 years, we are able to extend flexibility for both investment staging and pre-selling opportunities. The Wave Tower is not just another high-rise premier development in Cebu. It is a beginning of a new chapter for Cebu Landmasters, for Cebu, and for all of you, our partner sellers here present. We extend to you a rare opportunity, a